There, this is Claude from Drones Travels with a motorhome update. Well, we're getting there, guys. Still, unfortunately, we'll have one part coming in today, the grab handle. We're inside. Lay down here. I found an additional problem. I'm going to go over that with you here. The inside of it is pretty much done. LED lighting throughout and stuff like that. So, but as you can see, TV's up, microwave works, the stove is good, the fridge, no problem with it. Beds are all made. That cushion, that piece of foam there, I'm keeping that for a reason. That will come into play later on. That's the next part of my plans for this. But we got everything done. I found this nifty little clock. It kind of sits right there. I just got to put batteries in it. So, but you can see she's all done interior wise. There's the bathrooms, the shower is all set. Hello, there we are again. All the towels. I got to clean off, take that screen down and clean that area up there off. I got a new fan to go in there, but the bed's all done. I put carpet down here. I bought some carpet because it wasn't carpeted before. Then if you notice up here, I took the original floor mats. I used them as templates, and I cut carpet to fit in there. So kind of accent it. So, but the interior is all done. Now, oops, ouch. And also let everybody know, I have a merch line, and you can buy these really cool drone roadshow stickers to help support my channel. I think they're about $4 a piece. I lowered the price on them if you want them. They come in two different sizes. This is 5x7. They also have smaller ones. And yeah, if anybody's interested in them, go to my Teespring account and you can get them. So right there they are. No shameless plug. But to get to my problem I have, well, yesterday I was working on this, and I discovered I had a weather check on one of the tires, which was on this side. I decided, well, I'm going to pull the tire off and put the spare on, which that's the spare, it's on there. And in the process of doing that, I broke a valve stem on the inside tire. Well, I got to looking at the inside tire. I'll show you what we got here. You can see right there, you can see that crack. See the weather checking? You hear that up and that sucker opens up like nothing. You can see it right there. That big old split in the tire. Well, so I ended up putting my spare on, plus I got the bad tire on there right now. So I got to end up buying 4 new tires for it. But I discovered the front tires are a bigger tire than the back. So what I'm basically got is my problem. The newer tires are 30 1/4 inches, or 30.4. So I measured this, okay, 30 1/4 inches. See right here where the tire comes here and right there. What I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to cut this back here and here, because on the back side, no problem. I'm going to have to trim this back at least up to here with a cutoff wheel. Cut this aluminum But the problem is underneath here, it's reinforced. Or I found these tires of all places at Walmart. They're $122 a piece, and I can just put them on here, so we can still get these tires. Because a lot of places don't carry them anymore. So I'm probably going to end up going to Walmart, because I wouldn't have to modify it. So it's $480 for tires. From there, plus, you know, they charge you $15 a tire for installation and some other stuff. So yeah, so that is my latest problem. So you guys feel free to join my channel. If you see me live, you know, it's getting to the point where getting expensive. I put almost $3,500 in this thing now, so if you want to join my channel, it all helps out. But get straight down to it, it's going to be another almost $500 and some dollars for 4 tires. But the issue is I can't move the motorhome right now unless I can figure some way of clamping this down. Figure out what bolts these are and put a plate across here. That way I can at least move it and make the appointment to take it in and get it, at least get tires put on it. So, but because I got to get tires on it before it goes up north. Because my spare, I broke the valve stem on it, so the tire that's on the back here, which is junk anyway, well, is no good anyway. So so that being said, looks like spending some more money. And I may make it my mission today, because it's raining, because really don't have a clue when that air conditioning is going to show up. I'm going to have to figure out the size of those bolts are, so that I can go get some plates, so I can at least clamp that head unit on the roof down. And then what will probably happen is I'll get that done, and then they'll call. So, but if I get that clamped down, I can at least move this thing to go take it and get the tires done on it. Like I say, Walmart, it's a matter of calling, setting an appointment up, and they order the tires. It takes a few days. So it being Thursday, so most likely it'd be next week before I get some tires on it. But the fronts are good, just the back tires. And actually the back tires, one side is still good. So what I may end up doing is having them mount the new tires on, and I'm going to take the 2 and I'll just put them away if I need them for emergency, because that's the other option. So, but if I modify to put the bigger tires on this, then it's pretty much point of no return, because once I do that, it's going to open up a whole lot of stuff that I wasn't planning on. So I think at this point I'm going to bite the bullet, and I'd like to go discount tire, something like that, and get tires. But I'll end up going to Walmart, just because they can get the tires where Discount Tires has them listed as no longer available. So well, another friend of mine told me about Coker tires, but then you order the tires, then you got to find some place that can mount stuff up for you, where we just head over to Walmart and make the appointment, drive this in there, and they'll jack it up and pull the wheels off, and they'll change out the tires. So that sounds like the plan, because that would be the best way for us, I think, to do. So I'm not a big Walmart fan, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, and what I end up have to do is whatever it takes to get this thing on the road. And you know, I'm a man with a fixed income, kinda. We have money, but we're also getting a pole barn put up, so it's called you got to do what the money will allow you to do. And right now, we didn't budget in for putting 4 new tires in the back of this, but you know what? I can't drive it anywhere with the tires that are on it. I just don't trust the back ones. So spend the money, I guess. So if you guys are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, hit notification bell, and I'll give you more bad news like I've been having here with this. Like I say, I'm waiting on the air conditioning piece get here. Whenever it does show up, she's told me it could be 2 weeks, it could be a month, it could be longer. So because of COVID, so we're sitting here without the internal workings of the air, the head's on there, but just sitting on there, and so I can't move it. So today my project is to figure out what bolt size these are, and go from there, I guess, so I can at least get it so I can move it around. So I have done a few exterior things on it. It's raining outside, so I'm kind of going talking to you guys, going in and out. I painted around the window. I painted these fender skirts on both sides. Painted the electrical outlet. I painted this section right here. I put a piece of trim across the back. Used to have some bolts there, I didn't like them. And I took a piece of quarter round and I cut it, then I put a groove in it with my table saw so it fits right on top of the 2 bolts, and I glued it in there and put screws in it. So I did the same here, only because that way it looks like it was supposed to be there. So I did that. This I painted, and this is the other fender skirt is painted. So I painted the gas cap. It's got dust on it, but painted the gas cap area. So that's about it for updates. The handle will be here today for it. So when that gets here, I can get that installed. And that's what it is. It's a big grab handle that will replace this one, and it folds open, because we're trying to get this thing done so it can go to major road trip this summer. So that's where I'm at. Latest update. So I guess I'm going to end it here. So guys, if you're new to my channel, as always, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future update. You know, as well as follow along. There'll be some other things. The Adventures is just starting. We're just getting ready for it. So this is part of our making our trips. This is what we're going to drive. So I'll have drone and ground footage for you guys. We'll be seeing some amazing places throughout Michigan. Then next summer, we will be going out west to Yellowstone in Cody, Wyoming area. So you got that to look forward to. So thanks guys for listening in, and I'll see you in the next update.